Alright, so starting directly from the front of my room, I'm going to be showing you all just the door. And on the back of my door, I just have this spiritual fast thing that I was doing with my best friend. Um, as you can see from the dates on it, it's really old, but I just haven't taken it down yet. And then I have like this sticky note with some TV shows that I was waiting to come on. So I wrote them down so I wouldn't forget. And we're going to go this way. Right here on the left of my door, I just have this like food and nutrition chart because I'm really trying to stick to eating better. So that's just for like portion control and stuff. And then right below that, I just have my trash can and a mouse trap because you can never be too safe. Okay. So right over here, same area, I just have this cabinet that I ordered offline right before I came to school this school year. And on this cabinet, I just have my plastic silverware, my paper plates. There's some sugar right there. And then on the side, I have some dish detergent, some syrup, some cooking oil, and some paper cups back there, if you can see that. Then inside, I just have my cereal. That is some taco seasoning right there. Then my peanut butter, cookie butter, and then behind it is just all of my seasonings. So moving right below the cabinets, we have my cereal bowls and a Tupperware bowl right there. And I just have some drink packets, some tea, some pasta noodles. Then back there I just have two empty Tupperware bowls that I use when I put away food. Over here I just have some cleaning products, cleaning spray, dish detergent, hand soap, and back there, which you probably can't see it, but it's a cup, some more cleaning stuff, and some Theraflu. So yeah, let me just put this stuff back so I don't have to do it when I'm done. And then right underneath the stuff that I just showed you all, we have my microwave, nothing too fancy, and my mini fridge, which I have some colored Christmas lights just taped to the top of that. Inside of my fridge, it's actually kind of empty right now because it's definitely time to go grocery shopping. But I just have some juices, some yogurt, eggs, cheese. Down there I just have some breakfast stuff, and then that is my lunch meat and stuff, and it's cream cheese in between those two buckets. Then I have some pickles, some jelly, some ketchup and mayo, ranch, milk. I have some lemon juice, a bottle of water, some more condiments and stuff, more cream cheese, sour cream, cheese, and butter. Right over here to the left of this cabinet, we have more drinks, which I just have some Kool-Aid journals, some water, some juices, then I have some cups and my protein shake. Then beside it I have my Yoo-Hoos, and over here I just have some like clean drinking things. I have a drinking pitcher, a cup, an empty Sunny D bottle, a water bottle, and my detergent because I just recently washed clothes, so I just kept it down. And right here on the other side of the door, I just have this little floor mat, and it has my shower shoes, my sandals, some walk around flip flops, and my sneakers. And then right up here on this wall, I have my hat that I wear the most, which is about to fall. And beside it, I have my necklaces that I wear the most, my earrings that I wear the most, my keys, and my wallet, which are all hanging on this desk organizer that I bought from Home Goods over the summer. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. And in this organizer, I just have some pens, pencils, markers, highlighters, sticky notes, scissors, some school wristbands and stuff. Just a lot of school related stuff. Got some notebooks, my major folder, and some more notebooks back there. And then moving over here to this other organizer that I got from my job at Sam's. I have some books. I have my 2 academic trophies that I got last school year. Some more books, some mail, a stapler, and my weight loss pills. Then right here I just have this L, which I picked up from I think Target, and this bucket of like a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Like it's a can opener in here, it's my lighters for my candles are in here, sanitizer, air freshener, all of that good stuff, just a lot of extra stuff. And I have some more pens and pencils that wouldn't fit in the organizer. Then I have my 2 planners and my adult coloring book and some papers. So moving down before we go to the other side, I just have a single serve coffee maker, a can opener, 2 clean bowls, my apple cider vinegar, some cereal, and an empty water container. And now moving over from the shelf that I just showed you all, we just have another mini fridge. And I know y'all probably like, why does she have 2 fridges? But they were both free, so it's like, why not? Up here I just have a mason jar with all of my cooking utensils in it, spatulas, serving spoons, and all that. Then I have a mug, and I have a cup full of straws, because I absolutely love straws. Some more clean cups, another mason jar with some silverware in it. Then I just have some bread, some instant grits, some instant oatmeal, and more instant grits. And right at the top, it's some napkins up there. And I have my 2 cups that I drink out of the most. This one was from Walmart. I think I got this one from Food Lion. And I just have this candle burning right here, which smells so good. So moving right beside that area, we're going to my first closet, because like I said, I don't have a roommate, so I turned a 2-person room into a 1-person's room. So in this closet, this is nothing major. It's more so like more of the food stuff. And I just have a scale, my dirty clothes hamper, my hanging clothes, my freezer bag, and then in all 3 of those drawers, it's food in there. That bucket is actually empty. Like I said, it's time to go grocery shopping. There are no snacks in there whatsoever. Then this is clothes related. This is my delicates bag for when I wash clothes, and my dish rag. Then moving to the second closet, I just have another one of those cloth bins with all of my socks. And this one is my tank tops and my bras. And I'm not going to go inside those drawers because it's more so like personal stuff, but that is just my underwear in the top drawer. The second drawer is more bras and stuff, and then that bottom drawer is like my sleeping pants, my shorts, and my leggings and stuff. And I have 2 pairs of boots that I wore recently, my little hair bag that is monogrammed with my name on it. And in this corner, it's just a lot of stuff. It looks junky, but it's not. I just have my makeup bag, my camera bag, my bag that my bundles came out of, a Victoria's Secret bag over there, my other tripod back there, the box to that tripod. There are flexi rods and a little bag that I'm pointing at. And right beside it, as you can see, my belt is hanging down. And the belt is actually on the shower rod right beside my towel. And this is my bath towel and my hair towel. And I didn't get to show you all this area over here, so I'm just going to walk this way. But right beside the drinking area that I showed you all, I just have my other drawers with my clothes and stuff in it. I'll show you all this one because this is more like general clothing. Let me put this fan off because I know, yeah. So in this drawer, just have all of my shirts, and then I have my pants, all of my pants, jeans, all of that good stuff. And then down here, I just have all of my t-shirts, like sleeping t-shirts and lounge around shirts and stuff, shirts that I don't really wear out. And then I have some melatonin up here, some hand sanitizer, my YouTube journal, a candle, this little reading light that I got from my school, and my lamp, which has a purple light in it, which yeah, looks like that. It looks a lot better at night though. And then I just have this mirror. Hi. And I have these two bookmarks of my late cousin, and I just put them on a mirror so that he'd be somewhere a part of my room. Then right beside it, I have my electric skillet, which is in its box, and my DIY ring light, which is looking a mess, but I think I'm just gonna make another one, and I'll probably record that. But now we get to my favorite part of my room, which is my bed. I love my bed so much. I just have it pushed up against the wall, right with the headboard up against the window. And yeah, nothing too fancy. Just about everything you see on my bed came from Walmart. The gray blanket that is like the base blanket, that's from Walmart. The peach comforter is also from Walmart, and the pillow that's right at the top with the flowers and the Hello Beautiful pillow came with that comforter as a set. The gray pillow is from Sam's, and then I have a white pillow behind the floral one, which also came from Walmart. And there's a body pillow directly at the back, which came from Target, and the pillowcase for that also came from Walmart. Then I just have my two blankets that I keep at the foot of my bed that I sleep under. Then down here I have another area rug with two pairs of shoes on it, my Vans and my Sperry's. Then we just have my fan, which points directly at the bed because I love to be cold. My book bag, my purse, and over here we just have my YouTube station, as I like to call it. This is where I record, which is just a chair that came with the room, and my TV table that I picked up from Walmart, my phone, where I'm actually on Messenger while I'm recording this video. So yeah, my iPad is right behind my phone. And then on the window, we just have my vanity mirror, my speaker, and also on the window I have this picture that says "Oh Baby" that I picked up from Burlington for like $2 or $3. And underneath it, that's actually my flat iron holder, but I don't use it. So I was like, okay, well, it's black. Why not make it like a decoration or something? And then my window. Nothing too schmancy. Moving over here to my desk that's right beside my YouTube station and my bed, I have this Hello Kitty lamp because anybody who knows me knows that I love Hello Kitty so much. I have this surge protector, and I have my TV, and my remote is right there beside it, my glasses. There is my laptop, my printer that I do not use because I don't think it works anymore. I think I broke it. No lie. Right on top of the printer, just have some medicine. And then I have these little metal bins that I got from Walmart. And just some pads, some lip gloss and Carmex back there, some panty liners, some baby wipes, hand sanitizer because I keep hand sanitizer everywhere, tissue, another vanity mirror, Gorilla Snot, and right beside it, going behind my TV, I just have some razors. Excuse the fact that they're in a cup, but hey, I needed somewhere to put them. This little bucket full of cotton rounds. I have some cocoa butter underneath that. And I have another metal bin, which has the lotions that I am using right now, like the most. Two Victoria's Secrets ones and a Bath and Body Works one. And those are the sprays that go with them. And over here I have some more lotion, more spray, Vaseline, my ear solution, some hair gel, and back there there's a wine glass with some sunglasses in it because I'm weird. And I have another metal basket. It's 2 of them up here. I'm going to show you what's in each one. So, in the first one, I just have a bunch of hygiene stuff. My loofah, face brush, some A&D ointment, some deodorant, lotion, mouthwash, alcohol, witch hazel, and aloe vera gel. And then right in the middle, we just have some eyelash glue, my little like makeup drawer. Yeah, which is not too full because I don't really wear makeup a lot. And then I just have that candle right there that I got from my mom, and some earrings are in both of these. Then in the other metal one, I have some more hygiene and hair stuff. This is all my makeup brushes and my edges toothbrushes, beauty blender, and some lotion and some toothpaste back there. And right here I just have some Jamaican black castor oil, some more sanitizer, more belly button rings in that little box, shampoo and conditioner, and in that bottle back there, that's just all of my that is my hair mixture with like my water and my deep conditioner and stuff like that. And last but not least, I'm gonna move down to these drawers that are connected to this desk. And in this drawer I just have actually it's a bunch of stuff. Some shoestrings, some braid clips, some crayons, command strips, a zip tie for when I was making my ring light, some necklaces, headbands, my backup glasses, an extra remote, some allergy pills, a screen protector, you know, just a bunch of random stuff. And back there I just have all of my phone cases. And moving down to the next drawer, this is my hygiene / toiletry drawer. This has some nail polishes, medicine, toothpaste, gummy vitamins, wipes, face brush, moisturizer, alcohol, soap, peroxide, Neosporin, more loofahs, toothbrushes, Q-tips, more soap back there, black soap, more panty liners. And then the third drawer, this is my hair drawer, all of my hair stuff, edge control, curl puddings, grease, gels, bobby pins, brushes, combs, all that good stuff. And down in this bottom drawer, I have some movies, which one actually fell off the stack, but it's okay. Some charger bases, body washes, razors. That's something I got from the nurse. And then it's some chargers back there in the back. You all can see those cords. And last but not least, we have my makeup drawer, which, as y'all heard, is extremely loud for some reason. But we just have my big eyeshadow palette, finishing spray, setting powder, my rubber bands for my braces, eyeliner pencil sharpener, tongue rings, tape for when I do eyeshadow, makeup back there in that purple bag too, deep conditioning caps, and my oval makeup brushes. So yeah, that is my dorm. I'm just gonna give you all a quick final overview. Oh, and I didn't even mention my letters, but that's LVK for Lauren V. Kennedy. And I got those from Hobby Lobby.